So today we've got something slightly different. I've come to my wife's Isaan restaurant and we're going to be making a pad Krapow. She's going to teach me how to cook it and I'm going to show you guys how you can make it at home too. So hope you enjoy this video. Here's a list of all the ingredients you'll need to make a delicious pad Krapow. So we have some garlic, we have some chopped chilies, we've got some sliced yard-long beans, and we've got some fresh basil. Then we have some sort of rosdy herbs and spices, and we've got some sugar. Then we have some dark oyster sauce. We have some pork mince. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some oil to the pan and wait for the pan to get quite hot before we start. So just add the oil to the pan. We're going to add the garlic. Just to add some of that flavour into the pan. As you can see, it's getting nice and hot now. Gonna add the chilies. Then we're gonna add the pork. Let all those flavours mix in with the pork while it's cooking. As you can see here, Rung's mixing in the chilies to make sure it gets in the meat, so we can add some of that flavour to it. Next up, we're going to add the sugar in. So, as you can see, there's quite a lot of sugar goes into this. Thai dishes tend to sort of have a combination of sweet, savoury, spicy. I'm now going to add some of the mixed herbs in. And then the dark soy sauce. So we're not adding too much at this stage, because otherwise it will turn the meat nice and brown, but we won't know if it's cooked or not. So again, just giving it a good stir, mixing in the flavours into the meat. So this will all come out in the pad Krapow later. Yeah, now we're going to add some more sauce. So fish or oyster sauce generally goes in this. Just 1 spoon. And you can see we've added basil and yard-long leaf or beans. Now it's important to realise that the reason why a lot of Thais cook outside is if you use a lot of spices, the smell can become quite overpowering. So we don't want to be choking while we're cooking. So we're cooking outside. So as you can see, this doesn't take very long to prepare. So we're just going to plate this up on top of some rice. So the last ingredient we're going to have is a fried egg. So we've just cracked the egg into a small bowl. We've added some more oil to a different pan this time. I'm going to tip the bowl or the egg into the grease or the oil and let it cook. And this won't take very long to fry the egg. So you can see that's getting really hot now. make sure the egg stays nice and together and doesn't bubble up. Yeah, it's getting really hot now. Okay, it's nearly ready. Here we have our finished pad Krapow. So one of the first things I'm going to do is break open the fried egg. Just let some of the juice flow out over the mix in with the pad Krapow. It's like a nice little texture in with the rice and in with the pad Krapow itself, in with the meat. First little taste. Not too spicy. Obviously when you choose to make it, you can add some extra spices yourself to make it as spicy as you like, or you can leave the spices out altogether if you can't take a lot of spice. I'm sort of in the low end of spice when it comes to eating. So generally in most restaurants you'll find a little tub like this which contains some additional spices. So again, as I just said, if you want to add any extra, there's also other condiments as well that are in here. So some nuts, some more spicy powder, some tamarind paste. So there's lots to spice up your meal. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but you can see a mix of the egg, the spices, the basil, the rice and the pork all mixed in together. Tastes absolutely delicious. As you can see, that's now all finished, which is absolutely fantastic. Still got a taste of some of the spices which will linger for a little while, but that's one of the things I enjoy about a pad Krapow. So I'm going to leave this video here, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll say if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and any comments, put them down below. Thank you very much.